Israel has achieved a major breakthrough in the race to find a cure for COVID-19. Scientists at Israel's top institute have managed to isolate a key coronavirus antibody which could possibly neutralize the virus. Following the development, Israel's defense minister visited the Institute for Biological Research, where the antibody was isolated. The minister claims that the antibody can destroy the SARS-CoV-2 virus inside a carrier's body. Now, the Institute is in the process of patenting the antibody formula. Once patent is procured, the search will begin for an international manufacturer. Reports of cures and vaccines are popping up across the world, but Israel's breakthrough is distinct for a couple of reasons. The antibody that they have isolated is monoclonal in nature, which means that it is being derived from a single recovered cell, making the chances of success higher. Antibodies are proteins developed by the immune system to fight the virus, and they remain in a person's body even after recovery, which makes them key in developing not just a cure, but also a vaccine. Now that the formula has been developed, it will have to be tested to gauge its efficiency and deployability. Earlier, we spoke to Amitai Stein, a journalist from Jerusalem. Take a listen to what he had to say.
So the details came out just tonight, so the details are a bit sketchy, but what we know from the announcement of the Israeli Defense Ministry and its research institute, which is part of the IDF industry, that they somehow managed to produce an antibody which can kill a coronavirus, at least inside lab right now. Now, the big question we are waiting to see if they need more trials in the future. They want to join other pharmaceutical companies so they can really do tests, massive tests on this issue. How does it work and how much success is in this antibody? But this is a really big headline because it's the first time or the first country that says that they found this kind of mechanism that can kill the coronavirus. Again, it's not a vaccine, it's not something that is done before.
Bom dia, você que está chegando agora, você que não está entendendo, é que o ministro de Israel anunciou na manhã deste dia 5 que Israel conseguiu neutralizar o coronavírus. Exatamente isso. O governo israelense divulgou em nota no dia 5 de 2020 que conseguiu neutralizar o coronavírus e estará esta semana já iniciando o processo de distribuição deste medicamento, desta vacina, em Israel em grande escala, ok? Uma boa tarde ou bom dia para você. Sou Jardel Bart anunciando para vocês praticamente a cura do coronavírus estará sendo aí aplicada já em Israel.
Aí, pessoal, recebi do amigo aqui do Brasil, Jardel, o vídeo de Israel, a vacina de Israel. Vera, do Rio de Janeiro, Brasil, e do amigo Jardel.